That's what we're gonna do today. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 5 different ways that I use my T15 Lite Pro to stay active, especially during the summer months. It's like way too hot for me to even work out in the garage right now, and I'm home with my infant full time. So I'm gonna show you what I do to stay active and feel good. Okay, it is currently Sunday, and my first workout of the week is 12-3-30. So it's basically a 12 incline at 3 speed for 30 minutes on the treadmill. And it's a brisk walk, but a really, really good workout and a great start to my day. 12-3-30 workout is one of my favorite ways to get some cardio in. By setting the incline to 12%, you're basically simulating a steep hill climb. It gets your heart rate up without all the impact of running. Keep a steady speed of 3 miles per hour. Stick with it for 30 minutes and you'll definitely feel it in your legs by the end. Okay, the second workout that I like to do at home is just baby wearing her. And if you don't have a baby to wear, you can always do like a weighted vest or even hold dumbbells if you want to. And I'm just gonna do this at a regular walking pace. I'm not gonna do an incline or anything. And I like this because it keeps her calm and like entertained. It helps me get to my step goal every day and it burns slightly more calories with her being on me. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're home with a baby all day, baby wearing is actually a great way to add a little extra resistance. The extra weight acts just like a weighted vest or holding light dumbbells, adding a little extra challenge to your walk. It naturally makes your core work a little harder, and the gentle motion on the treadmill usually helps the baby fall asleep. One thing I love about it is that it turns something you're already doing into a workout without needing any extra equipment or extra time. You can get some movement in while keeping your baby close and comfortable. The next workout that I really like doing on the treadmill are sprint intervals. So basically I'm gonna do 30-second sprint and then 30-second walk and just keep alternating. I'm gonna do at least 10 minutes. Might go up to 20, just gonna see how I'm feeling, but it's super quick, efficient. I get a really good sweat in, and I love this specific treadmill for sprint intervals because they have a touchscreen interface, so I don't have to keep pressing like a down arrow. On some treadmills, you have to do that, and it just takes forever, and it's like by the time you get to the walking speed, you have to sprint again, if that makes sense. So I love how I'm able to just touch the speed that I need to get down to a walking pace relatively quickly. When I'm not walking with the baby and I want to break a sweat, I love doing sprint intervals. I'll do 30 seconds of sprinting followed by 30 seconds of walking and just keep alternating. It's super efficient and always gives me a great workout. During interval workouts like this, a solid, stable treadmill is really important. The running belt is nice and spacious, so I feel really confident even when I'm picking up speed. The built-in fan also makes a big difference once I start heating up. Sometimes the room air conditioning just doesn't feel like enough anymore, and having that airflow right in front of me helps me stay comfortable through the intervals. The fourth way that you can use this treadmill is binge watching all of your favorite TV shows or movies. Right now, I've been obsessed with The Walking Dead, so we're gonna watch an episode of that while we're walking today. And I have a step goal of 10,000 steps a day, so I have to do that regardless. And this kind of makes me feel guilt-free for watching my show when I know that I could be doing other things. So we're just knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. Walking while watching a show is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent. Before I had a treadmill at home, it was easy to put off getting my steps in, especially on busy days. Now I can just press start, turn on an episode, and before I know it, I've walked a few thousand steps without really thinking about it. It makes staying active feel a lot less like a chore and a lot more like part of my daily routine. And if I'm listening to something, the built-in speakers are a nice bonus. I can just hit play and enjoy my podcast or audiobook without needing to wear headphones the entire time. Now this one is like a runner-up mention because I don't do this one super often, but if I have an extremely busy day where I know I'm not gonna have any time to get like a workout in, I will just multitask and respond to emails and whatever I can get done on my computer while I'm walking on the treadmill. I don't love this one because I am walking at a slower pace, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. This definitely isn't my most intense workout, but it's a great option for those really busy days when there's just a lot to get done. Even if I'm only walking at a slower pace, it's still a lot better than sitting at my desk for an hour. I can answer emails, catch up on my to-do list, and stay a little more active at the same time. Some movement is always better than no movement, and having the option to multitask makes it a lot easier to stay consistent. The next workout that I really like doing on here is actually on the Zwift training app. I basically just connect my phone to the TV and I can pick from a ton of different workouts just depending on how much time I have, like the distance that I want to go, where I want to run at. I've been doing New York a lot recently. You can also run with other people. So it's just really, really cool. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Beyond the immersive running experience, Zwift also adds a much more structured approach to training. Every workout is automatically tracked, allowing you to review key metrics like distance, pace, time, and overall progress over time. And if you place your hands on the treadmill's heart rate sensors during your run, your heart rate can also be displayed and recorded alongside your workout data. That extra layer of feedback helps you better understand your training intensity and make more informed adjustments to your routine. For runners who are training towards specific goals, having that performance data in one place makes it much easier to stay consistent and monitor improvements from workout to workout. We're going to close out this video here. I hope this kind of like inspired you that you don't necessarily need a gym in order to stay active. There's a ton of things that you can do in the comfort of your own home. You just got to be creative. Bye.